YouTube. I finally got my wheel off. I rode the Goldwing the other day, and I come back and just happened to check the back tire on the Spyder, and it was just had a bald spot on it, and it didn't wear even. But the Kendas actually wear really bad in the center, even if you're at 26 pounds, like the recommended thing. So they wore out. So I took it off. It wasn't that bad. I think the hardest part was getting the trailer hitch off. So I got it off, and it's not that bad. The master cylinder, or the brake caliper, I got off no problem. The belt looks really good, and I looked at the front pulley, and it's not rusted. It looks great. Oh, another hard part. Since this thing's never been apart, getting that axle out was a pain, and getting this, the rear sprocket off, was kind of a pain. I had to get that little rubber hammer in that piece of wood, and I had to keep like prying around it, and like hitting the piece of wood and prying around, and I finally got it out. But it wasn't that bad. And these I will re-grease and get those, and even the axle. I didn't clean the axle yet, but that's grease, so it's not that bad. I'll grease this axle up before I put it back in there too. This thing was a pain to get out. Look at this. This is like that, so it doesn't come out, which is kind of weird. I thought, oh man, maybe I screwed it up when I put the trailer hitch on, but I didn't. That's actually the way it's made, which is kind of weird. So I put all the stuff on the correct sides, and I took the wheel to Discount Tire, and they can't do it because of the way the hub is. You know, it's not a car tire, so they couldn't do it. After I sat there for 20 minutes waiting to see if they could. So then I had to take it back to Ride Now, Georgetown, where I bought it. And I think I'm getting the Kenda K9 on it, and I'm not getting the regular Kenda because they're terrible. So I'm going to try they ordered the K9 for me, and I think it was like $90. And then the installed was probably about $129. But I asked him what the install was if I brought the bike over, and I'm probably saving over $200 doing it myself, which is not a bad deal anyway. I mean, it's not that hard. So, and it won't be hard getting it back together, but I haven't done it before, so I didn't record it just because I didn't know how long it would take me. But it only took like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to get it apart, because I watched It's Yours, Own It guy in Nebraska, and he does all this stuff himself. So I watched his videos before, and I kind of knew how to do it, which is not a big deal. And I haven't seen the airbag up in there, but I know there's an airbag. But anyway, that's what I got, and I might record it. No, I probably won't record it getting it on, because you got to really do the jack just right so you can get the axle slid in. So it takes a little time to do that. But I had to take that little fender off, and that's kind of a pain to get it finagled back up in there just right. Bye.